Hi everyone, welcome back to the another video of Genius Academy. So guys, over here in today's video we are going to learn the another new invention that it is there in a list of top 25 inventions in the year of 2013, and that has been recorded by the Times magazine itself. So this particular invention is the gravity light. In this particular video we are going to learn about how this particular gravity light works, what are the applications and advantages of the gravity light. So without wasting any time, let's begin with our today's topic of the gravity light. And guys, if you're new to my education channel Genius Academy, kindly subscribe to my education channel and please press the bell icon. So whenever I upload a new educational informative video, you will get instant notification. So let's begin with our today's topic of the gravity light. So first of all, a light. So light can be produced by the filaments, like the Thomas Edison invented the light bulb, okay, and this particular light bulb, or else nowadays we are using the LEDs. This produces the lights, and this particular light is used in to carry out our everyday applications. So basically, what is the idea behind the gravity light? So as the name itself says that the gravity light, the light can be produced by using the gravity. So that is the basic fundamental idea behind the discovery of this particular gravity light. So how does it work? So over here in the case of gravity light, there will be a weight around the 12 kg of the weight. That particular weight is like attached to a strip, and that particular strip gets attached to a drive, and this particular drive is having an arrangement of the different gears which changes the gear ratio, and this particular output from the gear is connected to the generator, that is called as the DC generator. So over here the falling mechanism is created, that is this particular weight gets fall from a certain height, and this particular weight when falls, it rotates the internal mechanism, that is the internal gear mechanism of the DC generator. This particular internal gear mechanism rotates the generator, and due to the rotation of the generator, it produces the electricity, and the produced electricity can be used to power the LEDs which is connected to that particular pole of the mechanism. So that is nothing but the basic idea behind the working, or else behind the working of this particular gravity light. So over here the potential energy of the weight is extracted via gravity generation, and that particular potential energy gets converted into the kinetic energy, that is nothing but the movement or as the motion of the internal driver or as the DC generator, and that particular kinetic energy of the DC generator gets extracted into the electrical energy which will be using in that particular LED lights. So that is nothing but the basic idea of this particular gravity light. This particular gravity light or gravity powered lamps earlier designed by the company named as Deciwatt, and it is used as an alternative of the kerosene lamps. So let's move towards the further details of the gravity light. So over here in the case of gravity light, there are four essential components in the gravity light. The first component is your dead weight. This particular weight, it's around 12 kgs of the weight, and it is lifted at a particular height. Second one is the sprocket, or else we can call it as a drive sprocket. This particular drive sprocket is connected to the gear train. So that will be the third basic and important element. This particular gear train is again that's connected to the DC generator. So these are the four essential equipment, these are four essential components which are used in this gravity light. So over here this particular dead weight we can call it as bag which is filled with rocks. So this particular bag, it is weighs around 12 kgs and it is lifted at a particular height. Let's say it is having around 1 meter, lifted at about 1.2 or 6 feet of height. That is the typical height of a human being. So when that particular bag is lifted at particular height, this particular bag started descending very much slowly, about 1 mm per second. That is the descending speed of that particular bag. So this slow movement of that particular bag, it's dragged by the drive sprocket, and this particular drive sprocket is further connected to the gear train, or as we can call it as a polymeric gear train. In that particular polymeric gear train, the speed of this we will get the output speed is very much on a higher side by using this particular gear train. The gear ratio changes over here, and as that particular input will be the movement of the sprocket, the input will be the movement of the drive sprocket, which is very much less, and this particular drive sprocket will be having a higher amount of the turn. In the other hand, when that particular output of the gear train will be having the low torque and the higher speed. This particular output of the gear train is further connected to the DC generator, which rotates, and it will produces the sufficient amount of the electricity, such as the 10 decibwatts. It produces the 10 deciwatt, and this particular sufficient energy gets created to power the LED lamp. The produced power is much sufficient to power that particular LED light, which is 5 times brighter than the kerosene lamp. So over here the efficiency is increased, and there will be no extra fuel is required that we required in the case of kerosene lamp. So we will get the more brighter light in case of gravity light. That particular bag, it will take around 20 minutes to reach at the bottom. Again that particular bag gets lifted with the help of a pulley, and then that particular whole the process gets continuous itself. So this particular gravity light is capable of giving the brighter light for up to 20 minutes. So gravity light such as the GL02 model, which is nothing but the clean alternative to the kerosene lamps, and it is having a higher amount of the efficiency. So over here the added advantage is like that there will be no external electricity gets consumed, and no external fuel is also required as in case of the kerosene lamps. So this particular technology is purely clean and reliable. It has low maintenance and a low cost. The installation is very much easy, and it is having less operating cost as well. So this particular gravity light can be installed in the night conditions, as in the day conditions we don't need the gravity light, because in day conditions sunlight is there. So this is the reason this particular gravity light can be used in the night conditions in the rural areas especially. So this is the reason Time magazine awarded this invention as one of the top 25 inventions in the year of 2013. So guys, over here in this particular video we have learned about the gravity light, its working and the applications. So if you have any doubts, any queries, please leave a comment, and please do subscribe to my education channel Engineers Academy. Thank you so much guys for watching this educational video.